Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can hide your user profile on Slack from other users within your Slack workspace. This is really useful if you want to maintain privacy, control your visibility, or just stay a bit more discreet while using Slack for work or side projects. So let us get a sigh and a sigh. Once you've done that, generally you can listen to the experience that. Once you've gotten that person working, keep your Slack ask in debt. In the top left corner, let me go with this one here. You will need to do that separately for each of the workspaces you're a member of, maybe even if you're an admin. So guys, if you'd like to keep your user profile invisible and hidden from other workspace members, here's what you need to do. Click into your workspace name in the top left or into that arrow down icon next to it. From that menu, select Preferences. After that, head over from Notifications to Privacy and Visibility. Here on the left and to the right, you can set your discoverability options. For example, if you switch from anyone with your email address, and you'll see the associated account email address to the right to no one, then no one will be able to find you via search in that workspace. This is a great way to manage your presence if you're part of multiple Slack workspaces for different projects or teams. It keeps your profile private without affecting your ability to collaborate where you want. But remember, guys, you will need to do this for each and every workspace you're a member of, because Slack discoverability settings are applied only to your profile within the selected workspace. So, repeat the same process for other workspaces. Switch to another workspace in the top left corner, like this one, or any other workspace you're part of. Then click into the workspace name, head over to Preferences, go to Privacy and Visibility, and switch your Slack discoverability to no one. And that's basically it. That's how you hide your Slack profile. This simple adjustment can help you maintain privacy and control over who can find you in your workspaces. Hope you enjoyed this video and got some real value from it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future tech tutorials. We'll see you next time on our channel.